Hello everyone, myself Sakshi and today I'll be discussing about anaphylaxis. Anaphylaxis has been termed as type 1 hypersensitivity reaction. When it comes to the definition part, it is a sudden life-threatening allergic reaction which can causes multiple organ dysfunction. So at the initiation of anaphylaxis reaction, it will causes propulsion of different kinds of inflammatory mediators like histamine, prostaglandins as well as leukotrienes from mast cell and basophils, and directly it will directly go into the blood circulation. It usually happens when there are certain types of allergens get inside your body. It will causes vasodilation and thus increase the vascular permeability, which can causes different types of immune cell to seep into the site of infection. Thus it will causes vasodilation and thus in that case usually decrease in BP occur. The blood pressure will fall down. So what are those common triggers which can trigger that particular anaphylaxis reaction? There are certain types of medications which can trigger the anaphylaxis reaction. For example, in the class of antibiotic, penicillin, foods, there are some persons having allergic reaction to the nuts or eggs and seafood. And when it's come to insects, so there are certain toxic venom or animal venom which can causes anaphylaxis allergic reaction. So how will you characterize that particular person is having anaphylaxis reactions? So it has been there are several symptoms. So the symptoms include abdominal cramp or hives on the skin or hives on your skins, or you can say decrease in BP or decrease in BP happens, or vasodilation will happen. Certain types of sweatings occur. So there is a basic difference between anaphylaxis reaction and anaphylaxis shock. So usually people get confused about anaphylaxis reaction and anaphylaxis shock. So when it comes to anaphylaxis reaction, patient must have previous contact with allergen which produces no symptom. Only the IgE antibody has been produced against that allergen. IgE molecule will bind to that receptor and which is on the surface of the mast cell and basophil. Then again, if the same action of the same kind of situation will happen, or the same allergen will again affect your systemic circulation, then the allergen will bind to the adjacent IgE antibody, bringing the receptor together and induces inflammatory reactions. So these types of sequence of events happen in anaphylactic allergic reaction. But when it's come to anaphylaxis shock, it has been clearly defined by the term of shock that the person has not been previously encountered with the same type of allergen. So it is completely new to them and they are producing certain anaphylactic shock. So everything had a treatment. So the anaphylaxis allergic reaction has a certain mode of treatment which include immediate injection of epinephrine, which causes increase in blood flow and widens your airway. Antihistamines, you well know that antihistamine is well known for different kinds of allergic reaction like levocetirizine, Avil. So these type of antihistaminics can produce or can impart a certain effect against the allergens or against any type of allergic reaction happening inside your body. Or oxygen therapy can also be given because people are suffering for breathlessness or certain type of things. So oxygen therapy usually given to widen the airway, so the person or the affected person will usually get a better way of treatment or get calmed down in this type of episodes when happen to them. So there is one of those therapy also is going to take place. And the last one is beta agonist like albuterol to relieve breathing problem. As I can say, there are certain beta agonists which will causes for the example I have said albuterol, which can relieve the breathing problem and your airway will easily get widen and you can easily, there will be no problem of breathlessness. So today I'll be concluding about what do you understand by anaphylaxis, that it is a, you should always remember, it is a sudden, it has been characterized as a sudden life-threatening allergic reaction which causes multiple organ dysfunction. So here I conclude with that. Thank you.